if you have cravings that are sabotaging you from making healthy decisions. And so this recipe here today is actually, it's a partial one here. I didn't finish rolling up the tortilla. But one way of getting a tremendous amount of vegetables into your body is to make a nice juicy salad with not processed dressings. Make them out of vinegar, make them out of lemon juice, make them out of pure virgin olive oil. And that's what Linda does here. She in this case is shaved up some cucumber, and I've got some, and then she made a salad out of beet and cabbage that she cooked lightly, and some black beans in there too, and some feta, and then you roll that up. And actually, we've layered in a whole bunch of lettuce on top of that one afterwards, and rolled it up into a big ass burrito. And it's a wonderful way of getting a lot of veggies into your body.